Welcome to the Loreal Future Talent Education Programme. In this intermediate series, we will cover being able to set and dress the hair. Within this video, you will understand how to use the different techniques of roller setting on and off base, directional setting, and pin curling on and off base. Discuss the desired outcome with a consultation. Talk to the client about their desired look. Use images to help understand the final look they desire. Assess the client's hair texture and density. Understand the client's lifestyle. Prepare your client with the appropriate personal protective equipment for the service, ensuring their clothes are protected. Sterilise your equipment before use. The first thing to do is to make sure you have all of the correct equipment ready on your trolley. Why we do it. Pin curls give a long-lasting style with a versatile curl formation. Start with clean, damp hair. Apply a product which provides heat protection and aids setting the hair with hold. Use a wide tooth comb or fingers to distribute the product evenly and remove any tangles. Secure any sections of hair you are not currently working with by clipping them out of the way. To pin curl, start with a small section of hair. The section should be no wider than the curl you want to create. To form the curl, wrap the hair around your finger to form a curl and tuck the ends in smoothly. Position the curl flat against the scalp below the section. This creates a more natural, relaxed look with less volume at the roots and is an off-base technique. You can see on this example we have on and off base placement of a full head of pin curls. Dry the hair naturally, or if not using metal tools, you may use a hooded dryer. Why we do it. An off-base roller set, which can also be directional, will provide less volume with a uniform wave. Start with a subsection of hair. The section should be no wider than the roller you are using. Comb the section straight with tension. This ensures a smooth, even tension around the roller. Place the roller at the ends of the hair and roll upwards towards the scalp, maintaining even tension. Secure the roller with plastic clips or pins. Repeat the rolling process throughout all sections. Ensure each roller is placed off base, which is below the section, to minimise volume and lift. Maintain consistent tension to ensure uniform curls or waves. Why we do it. This type of technique will provide controlled volume. Start with a subsection of hair. Remember, the section should be no wider than the roller you are using. Comb the section straight and with tension. This ensures smooth, even wrapping around the roller. Place the roller at the ends of the hair and roll downwards towards the scalp, maintaining even tension. Secure the roller with plastic clips or pins. Repeat the rolling process throughout all sections. Ensure each roller is placed on base, which is directly on top of the section to maximise volume and lift. Allow the hair to air dry completely, or if no metal clips have been used, you can use a hooded dryer to set the curls. This can take 30 to 45 minutes, depending on hair length and thickness. Ensure the hair is thoroughly dry before removing rollers or pins from the hair. Gently remove the clips or pins, securing the rollers. Carefully unwind the rollers, avoiding pulling or tugging to preserve the curl shape. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to gently style the curls or waves. Avoid using a brush to prevent frizz. Apply product of choice to create shine, control and hold. By following these steps, you can learn how to set the hair in various ways. Learn more techniques from our Style and Finish hair unit. To discover more resources, go to the Future Talent page on Loreal Access. This dedicated page will support you in your educational hairdressing journey.